I'm here again with an interesting activity. So today we are going to make slime and my mom brought it for me. Its name is Rainbow Slime Kit. I use it many times and I love it. So I'm going to share this activity with you. I hope you enjoy it. So let's open it. Oh, here is Dye Rainbow Crystal Slime Glue. The next thing is spoon. And here is the Dye Rainbow Slime Activator. There's a note written on it. How to make it. Slowly add 6 tablespoons of activator into the glue one by one. Keep mixing until it starts to stick all together. Then knead the slime. Note is this activity under supervision of your teacher or parents. Here's the spatula and glitters. I love glitter, so I'm going to use these in slime. And here's the bowl. So let's start the activity. First, I'll put Dye Rainbow Crystal Slime Glue. And it's almost finishing, so I'll put all in it, so I don't need of the spoon. Activator. I will put the glitter, so when I will mix it, how can I put the glitter? So my mom